Looking good. So we have our second camera on the go. And we are going to be testing, yes, a data set. First, we're going to unplug this 1541-2 and return it to its box. It is happy. It may make another appearance at some point, but for the moment it's all good. So yes, it has been a while since I have done things with a data set. But sometimes there comes a time to go a step forward or backwards is necessary. So this is the Commodore 64 we are testing, and I still haven't dealt with the keyboard issues yet. So I have a separate keyboard on there. Oh. And here we have a data set. I have not let you, I haven't looked in the box yet to see what's what. But, as it is in the box, I am forever hopeful. And, so far, so good. It has its styrofoam. It has a plastic bag over it. Shaboom! And it's not bad. It's got some scratches, but you know, things happen. So, we are going to take out Load Runner and plug the data set into the cassette port. First, we will press play, and by golly, it spins. We will press rewind, and by golly, it spins. We will press fast forward, and by golly, it spins. And the counter is also spinning. So, it has been a while. There's usually a little strip or something on here. Usually. Somewhere. But I don't see one. So I'll just pick away here. Perhaps I will take my small screwdriver. Alright. So here we have, oh, and the case is cracked, even though it's brand new. I guess that is why, well, you know, it's been around a while. So, we will eject. We will put a tape in. What's going on here? We will put a tape in, I think. Oh. Haha. Stickers. And we will fast forward to just give it a little bit of a workout. We shall. So, I suppose what we might do is write a quick program. This keyboard also has issues, but not as bad as the original. Let us run that. So, now, you know what, I want to make this a little long. This does seem to be going along, and besides we're going to want to load something. So we're going to rewind. I'm going to change this. I am. Yeah. So, because we want this program to be a little bigger, we're going to instead of just telling it to go and do the thing over and over and over, we're going to give it more lines. Why? Well, just so it's a little longer. So there, much the same, just longer. 100. Go to 10. Run. Okay, so same thing, different result. So we will stop. We have rewound, and now, of all things, we will say save data set, comma 8. And we will press return. Device not present. Well, isn't that interesting? Oh, of course it isn't. We're not going to. It is such. There we go. It is such a habit to just throw that comma 8 in there. So, now if you notice, I did not advance off the leader because I think Chuck Peddle was smart enough, I think, way back when, although I was watching a documentary that he made this wonderful system that was the best tape drive recording system there was. He spent 2 months doing it, and then he wasn't sure how he did it. Okay, so, saving. Okay, so supposedly, we have been saved. I'm going to rewind. Goes pretty well. I'm going to say new, so that then the memory is empty, and I'm going to say load, and I'm going to press play. Now, assuming all went well, found data set. Is it loading it? I would like to think so. Although, oh, do I miss something? Oh, okay, the space bar. So I think now it is loading. Load error. That's funny, because it loaded. Let's rewind. I will save tape. And I'll see what happens with this. Tape drives are, as you know, slow. Okay, we have saved tape. Stop. We're going to turn this right off and turn it right back on. And we're going to say load tape. And we're ready to press play. I know this is exciting. You know, when I first started, this was, it was on a PET, it wasn't on the 64. Found tape. Now, I think I have to do, I'll tap the spacebar. It was in the back room of the computer room. Oh, found tape. Loaded. Ready. What the heck is that? Okay. I'm thinking, so I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to press stop. I'm going to do another program short. Okay, that's short. And then I'm going to say save. Numbers. Oops, numbers. Now I did not. Rewind the tape. So the counter is about 7.5. So this should not take long to save. Okay, saving numbers. So we run it, we have numbers. We're going to say new. We have nothing. We have nothing. I'm going to stop. I'm going to rewind. Oop. Interesting. It kind of, see, this is a rather long tape. Oh, good. Okay. So we're going to load numbers. We're going to press play. I'm wondering if there was leader trouble before. I don't know. I just don't know. And once again, is this a matter of the tape drive, or is this older computer just having issues? So we found tape. Good, we don't want that. We are loading numbers. So it should be bypassing that. And then it should come up and tell us that it is found soon. Numbers, I hope. Found numbers. Okay. Whee! And indeed we have numbers. Well, that's all well and good. Oh, now that is, it does not want to rewind. It fast forwards. I wonder if this, I wonder if this whole tape has gone a little wonky. Oh no, we'll turn it over and we'll fast forward. Nope. Interesting. That is not a good sound. It is really struggling. Mind you, see, the other thing that I was always warned about long ago is, oh, there we go, is, let's try fast forwarding. is the older, sorry, not the older tape, but the longer tapes. Like on the one spool, there's, you know, not much. On the other spool, there is a whole bunch. We'll reset the counter. Maybe we'll just let that play for a moment. I am thinking I do want to try another test on here. How does this look? Oh, that's great. I'm thinking I want to try and save something more substantial, I think. So, yes, and see what we can do. So I'm just letting this play to see what is what. It seems to be happy and playing. What I think I want to do is, remember the disk drive we put away? I think I'm going to get it out. I'm going to load a program off of the Commodore test demo disk. And then I'm going to save it on the tape, load it back in, see if it works. So far, I think we're doing okay on this tape drive. But I'd like to do a little more with something a little more substantial. So, we'll let that roll. I'm going to come around to the B camera and stop it. The B camera cannot record forever and ever and ever. It has a limit. And I'm not sure if we are close to that limit, but you know. Yeah, we probably are. Okay, so we were going to load something from disk and put it on the tape. Stay tuned.